I just got a package. It's from Panda Airsoft. I sent it to my cousin's house, J-Dog, and yeah, it didn't get there when I was visiting, so they just shipped it here, and let's open it. Ooh, it's in a fancy box. Nice and like carbon fiber look to it. Ooh. It is my hollow sight. It looks amazing. Probably doesn't have any batteries in it. Yeah, no batteries in it right now, but
it's nice.
So that was this little unboxing. And yeah, so hopefully we'll be getting some gameplay in. I'm going to UCOS in Galt tomorrow, and yeah, hopefully I can get some gameplay in there. And see ya.